Hello guys, I want to show you guys how to set up your Laxasfit smartwatch. So first you have to download Laxasfit from your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. So you have to search for it, and this is the app here. So you have to download it and then open it. So you have to first click on you have to agree on the terms and conditions first. Click on agree, then press on allow. So here's the smartwatch. You have to make sure that the smartwatch is on, so you can long press right here. See, when you long press, see it's off now. So if you want to pull it on, just long press right here. Long press, it will come on. It's on now, so you can see. So this is it. So you have to click on this allow button here. Click on allow. So you have to allow everything. So once it comes here, you have to click on this agree. Once it clicks, you see, once it clicks, then you have to tap up here, login directly. So here it is. So please take good care of your account. Okay. So I have to set it up. Nickname, put your name, Mike. So I've inputted my name. So you cannot just, you have to just input your nickname, sex, which is your gender, and then put your height, go set. So we have to go to please enable notification usage, permission, and otherwise. So we have to enable this one too. So for us to enable this, we have to come right on the app and then enable it, allow. So we have enabled it. You have to go back. So we have to go back, and then we have to make sure that our Bluetooth is on. So you have to turn on your Bluetooth. If your Bluetooth is not on, you turn it on, then go back. So then now you can see the main menu. You can edit your card. Then from here you can see the data, you can see your heart rate. So here is where you can tap right here to search for your device. So as you can see, here is our device. You can just click on it. So tap on it again. It's connecting now. So we have to patiently wait for it to connect. So I don't want to see, it's connected now. So since it's connected now, the time, the date, everything will automatically set. Let me show you. Once it's connected, you see the time tariff with my own time right here, you can see. So once it's connected, the time, the date, everything will set automatically. So what we have to do right here now is to come right over here and edit our card. So we can edit our sport, we can edit our heart rate, sleep, blood measure, everything. So then from here, let me show you guys some other settings that you guys need to know. From here, this your profile. So then here is where you can easily change your wallpaper. You understand? This your dye, you can easily change it from here. So if you want to change your dye, just click on my dye. That is your face wash, so you can easily change it. And let's say that you don't like this, you can easily customize your face wash, which is your wallpaper, and then input it right here. Okay, so after doing that, let's go back. So once you get there, click on this device settings. So from this device settings now, you can be able to enable some features right here. So find device is up here. Once you click on it, your smartwatch will start vibrating until you tap OK before it will stop. Then this message reminder is where you'll be able to set your incoming calls, your SMSs. So once you tap here, you disable it, you will not be receiving incoming calls. But if you enabled it, you will be receiving incoming calls. The same thing with SMSs. The same thing. You can also enable all, but once you enable all, you'll be receiving a lot of notifications. So just disable the ones that you are not interested in, and then enable only the ones that you have interest in. Okay, so that's it. Can I enable Facebook? Decide to enable WhatsApp and decide to disable Snapchat. So this is an alarm reminder. So from here, you can easily be able to set your alarm. Just tap up here. You can easily set your alarm. Choose the specific time that you want to wake up or maybe go to work. So that's it. This water reminder, remote selfie. So you have to enable this to be able to remotely control your phone camera. So click on allow, then you can see. So this is the remote selfie. So from here now, we can easily take pictures from the watch. Just tap on it. See, I've taken picture now. So the picture will be in the device, or you can also import the selfie that you took from the phone to the smartwatch. Okay, so let me show you guys other features, other things that you can do from the app. So right from the app, you can enable the do not disturb mode. You can decide to enable it. If you want, you can decide to enable it, but you can set the specific time that you want to enable the do not disturb mode, and then click on OK after doing the settings. Then 24 hours clock. If you want it to be showing 24 hours clock, you can just easily set it from the app. Like you don't want it to be stopping at 12 o'clock. You want it to be showing 24 hours. Don't to be showing like 13, 14, like stuff like that. If you don't want it, you can disable it from here. You can also disable the vibration from here. You can also enable it from here. Language settings, you can also do it right from here. Understand? And factory reset, you can also do it from here. So to upgrade, you can also do it right from the app. So for you to get to this particular area that we're in now, you have to click on my device settings. You understand? So once you get here, you click on my. Once you click on my, you get to device settings. So then from here, you can also import your phone book, which is your contact, into the smartwatch, so that you can be able to make call directly from the smartwatch without touching your phone. So that's it. So this is the system authority management. This is unit switch. So this is all you need to know. This is the heart rate. If you want to check your heart rate, you want to this for sport. Okay, for me, you can monitor your sport, your time, your heart rate. You can click on start right here to measure your heart rate. You can see you already start checking your heart rate, your BPM. So if you want it to stop, you can click here for it to stop. Want it to start, you want to understand. So this is all I have to show you guys about on how to connect your Laxasfit smartwatch app to your app. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful and informative, please kindly like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.